Howdy folks, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to introduce another drink of our new Masterclass menu. It's a mint julep, but with a TT autumnal twist. We added some cinnamon, cloudy apple juice, and made this all into this one delicious little concoction. It's a bourbon-based classic. In this case, we're using Buffalo Trace, which is one of our firm favorites here at TT. So hope you're gonna like it, enjoy it. See you soon.
Hi guys, it's me, Kay. I am back here at TT Liquor. Today I'm going to be showing you another one of our new cocktail class drinks. So this is an Apple Pie Julep. First thing I need is some bourbon, and I've got this lovely Buffalo Trace bourbon, and I want about 40 mils of my bourbon. Next thing going in here to bring some of that autumn winter spice is going to be some cinnamon syrup. And I want about 20 mils of my cinnamon syrup. And I want about 30 mils of my apple juice. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill this cup about 3/4 of the way up with some crushed ice. Fantastic. Now I'm going to take my spoon and just give this a good old churn and a stir, get everything mixed together, get some of that ice diluted down and melted down and lengthen our drink out. Here we go. Finish this off with some extra kind of autumn spice flavour. We've got some ginger beer here. I'm just going to crack that open and add a little splash to the top of my drink, not much, maybe about 10 or 20 mils. And then I'm going to go ahead and just give this a crown of crushed ice. So I'm going to take a nice big scoop of crushed ice, pile it on top of the drink, gently use my hand just to form that into a dome. So for a garnish, I've got myself a nice little apple fan. We'll just pop that on the side here. And a little sprig of mint as well. And I'll pop that right next to our apple fan. I've got a bar napkin here. I'm just going to fold it in half to make a triangle. Take each of these two corners here, dip them in a little bit of water, and then these wet corners are going to stick to that cold metal tin. And that is our Apple Pie Julep, ready to drink.